have Paige the Pride Poodle over here. Yay! We have Petunia and Beatrice, the Can-Can sisters. No, they are not the same breed of dog. We have Allie, the Disney Cruiser. With Allie with her raincoat on. She's that fabulous. Tum Tum, the Burly Fairy. And then Ellie, the Pride Star. Yay! Okay, good. So we have, it was a very, very hard decision to just choose one winner. But it was a unanimous vote that Paige, the Pride Poodle, is this year's